Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Ledger hardware wallet to the Exodus software wallet. First, make sure your Ledger device is running the most current firmware. Next, install the specific cryptocurrency applications you plan to use directly onto your Ledger. Finally, download and install the Exodus wallet application onto your desktop computer. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and secure setup process. Now, let's pair your devices. Open your Exodus wallet application and locate the Settings menu, usually found in the bottom left corner. From there, click on the Devices tab and then select the option to connect Ledger. Your Exodus wallet will then prompt you to confirm the connection. Be sure to verify and approve this request directly on your physical Ledger device screen. With your Ledger successfully connected, you will see your hardware-protected assets displayed within your Exodus wallet. This integration allows you to send and receive supported cryptocurrencies with the robust security of your Ledger device. Exodus provides a user-friendly interface, making it simple to view and manage your entire cryptocurrency portfolio, all while keeping your private keys offline and secure. To maintain maximum security, always confirm every transaction's details directly on your Ledger device's screen before approving it. Remember, your Ledger's 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone. For added protection, it is a good practice to disconnect your Ledger from the Exodus wallet when you are not actively using it. Stay safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.